Guess what, Jared? Looks like this thing's still the same. Same crappy old Schindler 300A MT. Let's see if they change the interior. At least. So far, looks like it's still a Schindler MT. What happened here? I guess they probably opened up a wall or something. Yep. This thing's still the same. Look at this thing. I said, what the fuck is this? I'm gonna do 2 rides on this at least. I don't even know which door's rear. I remember I used to go out further this way over here, you know. What am I talking? Yeah, you want to know what I'm talking about? Okay. Actually used to go out further this way. I wonder what happened. Did they expand like the one of the nationality rooms or something? Maybe? I don't know. I remember I actually used to go further out to like the front of the building. Okay. And first off, this indicator is wrong. That says 2, but yet it says 1 up here. Lovely! Looks like we got a fucking glitch on the thing. Lovely. Oh, this thing's pathetic. Give me a break. Oh, that's it.